Hello everyone, welcome to Living with the Ancients. Welcome to my tiny house and my even tinier kitchen. What we're going to do today is we're going to cut up some venison, we're going to make jerky, and we're going to make a little marinade for this. Ginger, garlic, lemon juice, and soy sauce, and oh, lots of love in there too. So what we're going to do is we're going to cut all that stuff up, mash the garlic, and then we're going to cut the meat into about 1/8 of an inch thick pieces and to long strips, and then marinate it for a few days before we bring it out to the smoker. It's going to be delicious. I hope you enjoy, and I'm always open to suggestions and ideas that you have. So here we go. Thanks for tuning in. Okay, so to prepare the meat to make the jerky, we have to remove all the fat, connective tissue, etc., and then cut the steak into 1/8 of an inch strips, and then put it in our marinade. So then we're gonna soak it in there for a few days, and she should be good to smoke and dry. Now that it's clean of sinew and fat, we're just going to cut it down into the strips here.